What the hell?
Dude, I need to get a fish. I need to get a fish.
Oh, dude, it's pulling like crazy. Oh my gosh.
How many fish did you catch?
What the fuck is this?
Babe. Good job.
Dude.
It's a human body.
I wonder what it is.
Whatever it is.
Maybe a carp.
Probably. I've never had something pull my line like that.
Remember, pull it to the shore.
This is a heavy one.
Not like the other one.
Yeah. Oh, Tommy, can you really in so I can pull it to shore? I don't think I'm gonna be able to pick this up. Oh, please don't snap line.
It feel heavy?
Yeah. Oh, dude, my heart's racing.
What is it? A striper? Imagine a big striper.
I don't know. I doubt it. Oh, God.
It's a capture shark.
Dude.
No.
Sorry.
I've never had something like this. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Dude, Tommy, this is so crazy.
PR?
Thank you, man. Oh, I appreciate it so much. Dude, my heart's racing.
I bet.
Oh, I've never had something pull my line like that. Oh, shit, dude.
What the heck?
Are you gonna go over me?
Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh.
You have a lot of light on it.
Yeah, I reeled most of it in.
I would release the trap.
I can pull it over here, huh? But I can't let it get too loose 'cause I don't wanna-
Come on now. Yeah, I got Ernest go to the fish. Maybe a catfish, a big one.
That sounds nuts.
Huh?
That sounds nuts.
Dude, please don't snap. Oh, dude, I'm getting tired.
Okay.
Oh, Tommy.
Oh, sorry.
Dude, I'm tired. Oh, dude.
Come on, let's go this way, baby.
Whatever that is, bro, congrats.
Thank you, man. You wouldn't happen to have a net on you.
I don't. That's why I'm here. I'd rather help you pull it up.
Oh, thank you, man.
Of course.
Dude, I never had something pull my line like that.
That's crazy. Probably a big carp.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be amazing. Tommy, you better get ready to grab the line if it ever snaps.
Oh,
Dude, it's
I
right
see
there.
it. I see it.
You see it?
Kind of, yeah. Oh, yeah. I
Yeah,
see it
that's
swimming.
him right there.
Oh, yeah, that looks big. That looks big.
Oh, God.
It's tired.
Oh,
Take
my
it
God.
slow. Take it slow.
Oh.
Holy
Ooh.
Dude, this is so great because I was fishing like 6 days straight here all day. And him and my other friend both got PBs here.
This is gonna be yours?
And I hope this is
I
mine.
got a scale too. You wanna weigh it?
Oh, yes, please.
Hell yeah.
It looks like a pike.
Oh,
There's no pike here, AC.
man, this is a big rod.
Kind of looks like a catfish from the bottom.
That's
Dude.
a carp right there.
Oh, come on.
Carps are hard. You know, carps are really hard to hook because they're the smartest fish out here.
Oh, yeah.
Pulling that way.
Oh, my gosh. Please, God, don't let it go.
Oh, he's coming in.
He's coming? Oh, God.
You want to come down this way?
Yeah.
Real. There you go.
Oh, my gosh, dude.
Let's get him in.
Oh.
Fish? You should walk forward. Walk forward and walk back.
Should I get my shoes wet? Fuck it.
Fuck it, bro, for the PB.
No, walk back.
No, walk
back like on the
backwards.
other
Come this
on the
way.
other side. Yeah, walk back.
There you go.
Shit.
There you go, bro.
Walk back. Yeah.
He's tired.
Keep walking
Oh
back.
my god.
Just pull them towards the shore.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Whoever wants to grab it.
No, don't grab it yet. Not yet. You don't want to.
Hold that.
You don't want to let him go.
Wait, move.
Oh, jeez. Oh, fuck, bro.
Oh, it is.
Oh, he definitely has.
Bro, I got it for you, bro.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, shit. Oh, my gosh, Tommy.
Oh my god. Based on Balboa.
For that one, babe.
Oh, my gosh.
I know.
Dude, congratulations.
Dude, thank you. Oh, man, I appreciate you getting wet, man.
Dude, I had to. This is a PB for you, bro. Holy
Holy
crap.
shit.
You saw the big one.
I don't know how we're gonna hook this
Through
guy.
the gill.
Ooh, Tommy,
The gill.
can you grab my casking back? I have the lip pincher.
I need your key.
Oh, here. No, it's on the dock.
Oh,
Hurry before it does.
dude, congrats.
Dude. Oh, my gosh, dude, thank you.
Congratulations.
This is amazing.
How heavy is your rod?
20 pound? Oh, my gosh.
Damn, that is huge.
Let me turn this on.
I'm gonna touch him.
Can you take a picture of it? Yes. Dude, my arm is so tired. Oh, I don't even know how I'm gonna hold him.
Under the belly. Yeah, just like that.
You want some gloves?
Oh,
Sorry.
okay, just like that. Oh, dude, this is amazing.
Dude, what an awesome moment.
You okay?
You alright?